Alright guys, I got a better bike check for you guys. Start off the top. I got ODI grips. It's really good grips. Like everyone I know rides them. The ODI Barends. I got the stock handlebars. I painted black, but you can see they got a little messed up here, like around here. Yeah, I had another bike that got stolen, and so this is the stem off that. It's the premium Broadway stock stem. Then down to the fork, stock fork, painted black. This is the only one that came out nice. And I have an Alienation PBR rim in white, laced to a GT stock hub. It's a 28 spoke, I think, with a premium refuse resist tire. Let's see, refuse resist. Stock frame in white. I was gonna paint it, but then I was like no, so has a little silver spot there. Moving down, I have a Amber Sage Sprocket 25 tooth with stock cranks, Odyssey twisted PC pedals, and Shadow interlock V2 chain. So yeah, I have a premium Pivoltastic seat that came with the Broadway that got stolen. Stock clamp post, stock tire with another PBR with the stock cassette, and for hub sounds. Here, let me put this here. So yeah, there you have it guys, my stock 2011 GT bump. And I was actually looking for new colors to go with. I was kind of thinking maybe red rims, because I have a red rim that I wanted to put on there. I have the I don't know where it is, somewhere in here. I have oh, here it is, a red PBR rim that I wanted to put on there. I was thinking maybe it would go on the front because it's not the best rim, but I was thinking maybe red. I don't know, tell me what you guys think, what colors I should do. I get $500 to do anything to my bike with in the summer, so yeah, just tell me what you guys want me to do with it. Peace.